Hey guys, in this video I will show you how we can boost FPS on Rainbow Six Siege, how we can eliminate FPS drops, how we can fix lagging, stuttering, and freezing as well. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to go to settings, then go to Windows Update, and if there is an update on operating system, please just update your system. Same thing with your GPU drivers, depending on what you're using. I'm using Nvidia, so there is Nvidia GPU, so there is an app called Nvidia. I can go here and update my GPU drivers to the latest ones. So first, go ahead and do so. Then another step that I suggest to do here before you play the game, go to Task Manager and eliminate all the tasks that you don't use while playing the game. So it can be, for example, Vanguard, Battle.net, Google Chrome, or something like that. But of course, close just these apps that you know it won't break your computer. Also go to Startup Apps and also disable all the apps that you don't use as well before when your computer starts up, right? Next up, what you need to do here, you need to go to Settings, then you need to go to Gaming, go to Game Bar, disable Game Bar, and also go to Game Mode and enable Game Mode. Next thing what you need to do here is to right click on your desktop, show more options, select Nvidia control panel, and we need to tweak here a few things. So the first one is go to change resolution, make sure that refresh rate is highest available for you and your native basically resolution is here. Then go to configure surround and 5x. Make sure the processor is your GPU. And then go to manage 3D settings, be on the global. Then you need to scroll down a bit until you see monitor technology, make sure it's G-Sync compatible. Then make sure that power management mode is prefer maximum performance, prefer to refresh rate, make sure that highest available. Anisotropic sample options, make sure it's on. Texture filtering quality, make sure it's high performance, super important. Texture filtering, trilinear optimization, and threaded optimization should be on. Then VSync should be off, and then virtual reality pre-rendered frames should be on too, right? Then another thing that you need to do here, you need to go to services. On services, click on one of the tasks here and press S until you see, as you can see here, should be SysMain. Should be SysMain. Right click on it, stop it, then right click again, properties, startup type, and make sure it's disabled, right? And you can close this window here. Then another thing what you need to do here is to open up Steam, find Rainbow Six Siege, right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files, browse, and then you need to find exe files. So scroll down a bit. It should be, as you can see here, Rainbow Six Siege exe file. You just need to right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, then select change high DPI settings, override high DPI scaling behavior, application, okay, and hit apply. Same thing with this one as well. Show more options, properties, compatibility, disable, change, and do the same, right? And after you do so, then copy the path of that particular folder, then go to on search and go to graphic settings. On graphic settings, make sure advanced graphic settings is selected, optimization for Windows games is selected, and then hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on. Then select add a desktop app, paste the path, and then select and add it Rainbow Six Siege exe files here, right? And after you do so, you need to find it here. Should be here, this one, GPU preference, make sure it's high available, high performance, and then make sure optimizations for Windows games also is selected. And then look for another one. It should be somewhere here. Looks like these two exe files blends into one, so don't worry about it. And the next step, what we need to do here is to go to, you can close this window here, then on search, you just need to write edit power plan, Then here select power options and then select ultimate performance. If for some reason there is no ultimate performance available for you, select high performance and apply the changes. Then on search, again, right view, advanced system settings. And here you need to select advanced performance, hit settings, then select advanced here, and then virtual memory here, and then select the drive. And then what you need to do here, select custom size, and you need to open up calculator, and then your RAM number you need to duplicate by 2000. So for me it's 16 gigabytes, so I will duplicate by 2000, and I'm getting this number 32,000, and I'm putting on initial size and maximum size here. Hit apply. Okay. If you don't know how much RAM do you have, you can just go to system information here, and on system information here you should see total physical memory, and you can tweak it here, right? And the next step, what you need to do here is to go to on storage settings, then select temporary files, and then remove cache files here, right? Also, it will help with your game performance. Next up, what you need to do here, if you're getting lag and high latency, what I should suggest you to do here is to open up first browser, go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you have good internet speed, you're good to go. And if you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router. Next thing about lag, you can open up command prompt as admin. And here you need to put a few commands. First one is ipconfig /flush DNS. And another command is nesh winsock reset, right? And after that, restart your computer. Next, go to settings, go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do here nothing. Then press again on network and internet, select advanced network settings, then select your internet connection. For me is this one. Then select more adapter options, then select internet protocol version 4. Then select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server, write Google's DNS server address. So first line is 8.8.8.8 and second line is 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes and restart your computer. Next thing what you need to do here, launch the game and open up Task Manager. And once you open up Task Manager, currently I'm not running the game, but let's say Steam is Rainbow Six Siege. So what you need to do here is you need to right click on it, go to details, then right click on the exe file, set priority and set to high, right? And change priority. And now we can go on game settings. And in game graphics settings, just go to display and then make sure the right monitor is selected. Resolution is your native one, display mode full screen, refresh rate highest available for you, aspect ratio auto, VSync and FPS limit and widescreen letterbox off, and field of view 90. Then go to graphics, and then on graphics, make sure Nvidia reflex low latency is on plus boost, overall quality custom, texture quality medium, texture filtering and isotropics 2x, then large shading, shadow reflection and VX quality low, ambient exclusion, lens effects, zoom in depth of field, Nvidia deep learning super sampling, AMD fidelity super resolution is off. And then as you can see here, super resolution 2.0 off, anti-aliasing FXAA, and then adaptive render scaling is 0 as well. And then apply the changes. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.